What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. Hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. The stock market quote unquote crash explained. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome and appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly stock analysis and updates, but we also post weekly crypto analysis and updates, as well as we day trade over here. So most importantly, we live stream and live trade every day. London session 3 AM EST on this very same channel. Here we're not your typical investment channel. We teach you how to make money on the front end as well as on the back end. So meaning how to make money actively as well as passively when it comes to being on these charts. But before we get started, I want to give a special shout out to one of the members and students. Shout out to my boy Jordan. He just got funded another account. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's either 100 or a 50K account. Can't remember. He's gonna have to correct me, but he said officially funded. And if we scroll up a little bit, you can see he's been putting in, if we scroll up a little bit, you can see he's been putting in that work, letting me know, keep me up to date, giving him feedback. If he's got any questions, he's been letting me know, but he's been working on this for the past month and some change, as another 150K account, man. So special shout out to your boy Jordan. If you're interested in seeing new service or mentorship programs, links are in the description. But in this video, we're going to be talking about the stock markets, okay? Now, I say this all the time. There is a difference between a crash and a retracement. A lot of these people that be talking about the stocks and they don't be actually talking about the charts, they just be talking about percentages down or the news. They don't know what they're talking about. I hate to break it to you. They don't know what they're talking about. Now let me explain, because again, the way people talk is as if price is just supposed to forever keep on increasing in value without any retracements or pauses. That is insane if you believe that's how things work in life. Just think about any business. There's going to be days where you have to spend more money to purchase something. There's going to be days where you make more money than other days. There's going to be days where you might have to refund or buy more things because you might have damaged products or damaged goods, right? There's a balance. There's a balance. Just think about it. If you ever move to a different country, they have a different currency. Imagine if price was just forever shooting up in value. Nothing would be balanced. Nothing would be stable. Same thing and vice versa. Price was just forever shooting down. Nothing would be balanced. Nothing would be stable, which is why it's so important to understand how to read the charts. Because again, a crash is not the same thing as a retracement. And again, people just keep on talking about, oh, the stock markets are down 50%. 50% from what? 50% from what? And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. First, let me show you what I mean by these percentages don't mean anything. So these are old screenshots, but I screenshotted these to show the members and students in the crypto channel that these percentages don't mean anything. You see here how Chainlink says it's up 6% for the day, but for my return on the day, I'm up 8%. Why wouldn't those numbers match? You see what I mean? Because I didn't purchase based on this number. I purchased based on the charts and market flow. Look at this. It said it's up 8%, but I'm up 17%. How is that possible? Because again, I'm going based off of the charts. You see what I'm saying? So now let's break down a couple examples. So the first one we're going to talk about is MicroStrategy. First things first, you want to buy when things are on sale. When you're in the store, when the new Jordans come out or that new purse comes out, that makeup, you don't run out the store when you see 20%, 30%, 50% off. No, you get excited and you purchase. But for some reason, when it comes to stocks, when things are on sale, people want to stay away from it. But when things are up, that's when people want to buy. That is how y'all get messed up. That's how y'all get quote unquote rug pulled. That's how you lose money, because you're buying at the wrong time. You need to buy things when they're cheaper so you can get a return on your investment, right? So MicroStrategy was literally almost at $600 and is currently at $262. Weren't y'all upset last time it was at $262 and y'all missed it? But when it's back, now y'all scared to get in. What's up with that? But anyways, I'm just trying to rewire and make y'all think differently. Now let's get to the numbers, right? So again, we're still in an uptrend as of now. Now look right here, we had some consolidation, then we had a higher high get made, and then we had price fail to break and hold 400, 415 as support. Now, I haven't talked about MicroStrategy in a couple of months. I think I talked about it like December or January, but we talked about this possibly happening. And this is why I always say you're late, but it's not too late. So as of right now, it's currently chilling at 265. If it can maintain 265 as support, you can see price try to make its way back up to 388. Okay. Now, if it fails to hold this low as support, it could try to retrace and retest going as low as 165. Okay. So between 245, 260, you can see price retrace down to as low as 160. Okay. Now, if we break this level, then we'd be in somewhat reversal territory. But again, look what we see here. We have this resistance level, price rejected, retraced, made its way back up. So again, if y'all would have bought when price was low, you could have made a bag, right? Then price broke this level, rejected, broke through. So we see here that this was a resistance level, but price has not retested to see if it can hold and maintain this level as support. So again, if it fails to hold 258, 260 as support, do not be too shocked or surprised if it tries to retest 160, 158 to see if it can hold that level as support and then come back up to the highs at 400, possibly back up to 540, 550. You see how that works? That's how an uptrend works. Higher highs, right? Higher highs. Retracements are part of the game. So again, you also want to DCA. You don't want to put all your money into a one price point because price can retrace, right? So that's why you want a dollar cost average in, but pay attention to those price points. Now let's talk about Tesla. So looking at Tesla, again, we was just at the all-time highs, treated as resistance, retraced. We came right back up to the all-time highs. We see price still treating this level as resistance. So if price failed to hold this level as support, of course it's going to reject and come back down to the level here that it was being treated as resistance. And now we're about to see if we can hold this level as support. You see what I'm talking about? Just like what I was talking about, we can possibly see happen with MSTR. Tesla just did that, right? We had this level that was a resistance, blew through it, retesting. So now we're about to see if we can maintain and hold 270 as support. If we can hold 270 as support, we can see price make its way back to 330, possibly back up to 390, 400 price range. Now, if it fails to hold 250 as support, we can see it possibly retest 200, 210 price, okay? So make sure to pay attention to 200, 210. Now, let's go to Meta. Same thing. We have a retracement. We blew through this level. Now we're retesting. So if Meta can hold 630 as support, we can see price make its way back up to 680, 690 price range. But if it rejects this level, we can see it try to push its way back down to 570 or even as low as 500. Okay, so again, just understand right here that we're still in the uptrend of all these charts. Now, if we see something like this take place, then we can say we have a crash or something. But right now, this is just a retracement. So don't freak out yet, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free Signal free Telegram. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my Signal server is my mentorship program. Make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free Signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sells going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this Signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.